Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm reviewing the Complexcon exclusive OVO and Murakami collab. This is the t-shirt and this is the bag it comes with. Yeah, let's get right into some of the details on the t-shirt. And stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to show you guys how they fit, like a little sizing guide. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so here we have the t-shirt. This is the front side of it, all black t-shirt, and then the back, no logos or anything. I think it would have been pretty cool if they did like a little owl over here too, but this is what we have. So you guys can see it's the OVO owl and then the Murakami like flowers on the owl head. In my opinion, this is one of the best collabs OVO has done. So with that said, let's get a close-up look on the t-shirt and some of the details. Alright, so for those of you who want to legit check your product because you're buying it off resale, the bag is supposed to come like this, a clear plastic bag. And then this is supposed to be how it looks. So it says the color and then the t-shirt and then size large. So pay attention to that. Alright guys, so let's get into the t-shirt itself. So the first thing I want to start off with is the tag on the inside of the collar. So we have the OVO Murakami owl and it says October's very own times Murakami. Made in Canada, which is where I think every OVO shirt is made. So the quality on it is actually really nice. And then it says large for the size over here. Now the one complaint that I did have is that I think they should have done this owl on the back over here. I think there's just something missing. It'll look a lot better if they did it over here, but it is what it is. Another detail I want to show you guys, we have like a little owl. This owl is actually on all of the OVO shirts on the bottom right corner. So another good way to legit check your product. Also, it helps people know it's OVO. And then getting into the main part of the t-shirt. Also guys, if you want to legit check, just make sure to pay attention to the bag. I don't think there are any fakes of this out yet, but there probably will be soon. So pay attention to the bag label, the tag, and the little OVO owl on the bottom. But let's get into the main part of the shirt. So here we have the OVO Murakami owl. This looks, in my opinion, really great. This has to be one of the most hyped OVO collabs that I could remember. So on the t-shirt, the owl is actually screen printed. It's not like stitched on or anything. On the hoodie though, it's like made of like a fur-like material. I don't really know the name for it, but on this one it's printed. But I actually prefer it this way. I think it looks a lot better printed on a t-shirt. It's not gonna bother you a lot or anything. But yeah, let's get into some of the details of the owl. So you guys can just check it out for yourself. There's really nothing much to talk about, but it's just a basic owl body, and then instead of the head, we have like a happy face with the Murakami flowers surrounding it. So that's really dope. This is actually my favorite part of the t-shirt, the happy face on the front. But yeah, with that said, I'm gonna show you guys how these fit right now. Remember, this is a size large, so let's get right into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how this shirt fits right now. Remember, this is a US size large, so base it off that. I usually wear medium or large in most t-shirts and especially OVO. Usually a medium, and depends on the shirt, like how thin it is and stuff, I might go with a large. This is a large, so you guys can just base your opinions off of this. So let's get right into it. So this is the front of the shirt, and then this is where the waistline ends, so right here. Length is pretty good. Look at it from the side. Material on this shirt is actually super comfortable, so I really like it. It's not too thin, it's not too like heavy. Here's how it looks from the back. So pay attention to the sleeve length also. So if you guys want it a little higher, pay attention to that. I actually like it relaxed like this. So yeah, again, I usually wear a medium or large in t-shirts. So this is how the large fits me. I like this fit. It's not too tight on me. I think the medium would also fit, but this is how I prefer it. So if you guys want like a looser fit, I suggest going a size up. If you want a regular fit, you could go your true to size. It should probably work out. So if you guys enjoy this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I post content like this pretty often and every subscriber counts. So thank you guys for watching, and once again, hope this helped you guys make a decision, and until next time.